Hey everybody, it's Shelly from On the Go and MCO, and we are here at the Dockside Inn and Suites. It is the sister property at Universal's Endless Summer Resort to the Surfside Inn and Suites that we got to look at last year. Now, I am so excited about this because this is their super value resort, but it doesn't really feel like a value. We're going to look around the lobby, look around at all of the restaurants before we head into the rooms. So let's take a look around.
We have 364 seats, beautiful light coming through in the front dining area. Is supposed to do or is replicating is that it is truly a grab and go market. So starting with snacks and then grab and go beverages, if you will, we have in each station throughout the dining space we have a different focal point. For example, here we'll have freshly made fried chicken and waffles that we'll serve in a bucket with the traditional condiments, coleslaw, mashed potatoes, gravy, and instead of biscuits, we'll have waffles that make them unique, and it's a Belgian waffle, so a little bit heartier, a little bit richer, lots of sugar. And that we're very proud of that item, and it's made for a family of four can come and feed themselves for a relatively low price. And it's also very portable, so you can go when you go up and see our suites in our rooms. There's plenty of space for our guests to actually use the market and have meals in their room as a family while they're on vacation. Take a little break from running around.
What makes a resort so special is their pool. Now, the pool here at the Dockside Inn and Suites does not disappoint because it is your destination for enjoying a sunny Florida day. You've got activities like this ping pong table and splash pad and beach area, as well as a ton of chairs so you can lounge and soak up those Florida rays. The Oasis Beach Bar is located just steps away from the pool, and this is the perfect space to just relax, grab a drink, grab a bite, and really just take it easy.
excited that Dockside Inn and Suites opens next Tuesday, and it is the 8th hotel in our portfolio here at Universal Orlando Resort. It is the sister hotel of Surfside Inn and Suites under the Universal's Endless Summer Resort umbrella, and these two hotels are our value property hotels. Rooms start under $100 per night, and they really complete the entire portfolio here at Universal.
Now let's see what a value room really looks like here at the Dockside Inn and Suites. We're starting in the standard room. Now, as you can see, there's a lovely mirror with hooks to have your park bag on. And I absolutely love that the sink is separate from the bathroom area. This makes such a difference in the morning for families getting ready. There is no shortage of storage space here at the Dockside Inn and Suites. Now, this armoire is packed to the gills with room amenities, but it still has a ton of storage for your items as well as extra linens. The room also has a digital thermostat, making the room extra comfy, and the option on some rooms to be attached. So if you have a larger party, everyone can enjoy being together. Now, the vibe of the room is beachy and fun and sunny. Again, there is tons of storage and tons of things to help your stay be great, like these drawers as well as the refrigerator. This stool is also storage, and the TV above the workspace is a great place to have all of your little goodies from the day before. And look at this view. You really get an idea of just how big the pool space is outside. Now, what I really love are all the little beachy touches. Now, it's beachy, but not too over the top, and surfery, but you don't feel like you're an outsider if you don't surf. All right, let's check out the 2-bedroom suite. Now, I love how the surfboard acts as a divider to give you an entryway and a little bit of privacy as you enter into the main sleeping area with these 2 queen-size beds. Now, what's really great is in the middle of the 2 beds is this large storage locker, as well as an outlet with a shelf below it. So while you're charging your phone, you have a place to put it. Now, I am really in love with these sunset beach pictures above these beds. I mean, it's just got that really chill, beachy vibe. Heading into the 2nd bedroom, you'll notice that it is a little smaller. Now, this is a great place for either parents to have a secluded getaway from the kids, or a place to put younger ones, so they're a little bit out of the way, so everyone can still enjoy their evenings if they have an early bedtime. Having these 2 sinks and all of this storage below them is a fantastic deal for families because it doesn't tie up your bathroom in the mornings when you're getting ready to go to the park. Located right between the bathroom and the entryway is the kitchenette. There is a microwave, a sink, and a coffee maker. So if you don't really feel like going out, you can bring some stuff in.
Price point and the exclusive theme park benefits that our guests receive, like early park admission when you get into the park an hour before other guests, quick and easy transportation to the theme parks, room key charging across the destination, merchandise delivery back to your hotel, and more. That coupled with the price point under $100, it's really just an unmatched experience here in Central Florida.